Level up your marketing strategy using messaging apps. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the next video. Businesses have taken a significant interest in apps like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp in the recent times. Marketing through Facebook Messenger generates 10 to 80 times more engagement than organic posts. WhatsApp has 1.6 billion active users, becoming the most used app nowadays. Messaging apps allow companies to reach a broad audience with short, personalized texts. In the next 1 to 3 years, messenger marketing is expected to be the #1 marketing channel. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the next video.